golf cart. You know, like Green Bay Packers. Drove this way through the gate.
I'm with the complainant right now.
Through the gate. That way you hit that hole.
Okay.
He just came out of nowhere.
But he went that way?
No, he went back, turned around and went back this way.
What's Green Bay Packers golf cart?
Nobody was following him.
Green Bay Packers golf cart.
It was a Green Bay Packers golf cart. A little heavy set, kind of gray hair. I was just so stunned. He just came right down here in front of everybody that was here.
And I'm too busy trying to get speeders coming up behind me. I'm looking in my mirror.
He ran into that. He went down the wrong way.
So but he went that way now.
He came around and went that way.
Okay.
Some guy in a white SUV was following him.
Yeah, let me see if I can find him.
Okay.
A 68-year-old man, a golf cart, a gated Florida community, and a collision that raises a question most drivers have never considered. He blows 0.07 at the jail, below the legal limit. He is still convicted of DUI. The reason comes down to a part of Florida law most drivers have never read. The first question, does a golf cart qualify as a vehicle under Florida's DUI statute? Under Florida Statute, Section 3, 16.003, subsection 75. A vehicle is every device by which a person is transported upon a highway. Florida courts apply DUI liability to golf carts on roads or areas adjacent to public roadways. Operation at a controlled gate connecting to a public road falls within that definition. Officers arrived on a citizen call with witnesses describing specific driving conduct and visible property damage. Sufficient articulable, reasonable suspicion to detain and investigate under the Fourth Amendment. The subject then denied consuming alcohol. Those statements were admissible without Miranda warnings. In Burkamer versus McCarty, the Supreme Court held that roadside questioning during a non-custodial detention does not trigger Miranda protections. The shift from a property damage investigation to a DUI inquiry was legally justified under Illinois versus Caballas. A lawful detention may expand when new observable facts establish reasonable suspicion of a separate offense. Odor of alcohol, erratic driving, and physical signs of impairment cleared that threshold.
The address.
I'm the one that called.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, we were coming through the gate.
Right.
And he's on the same road we are, and he's coming down the opposite way.
Which guy's driving?
The blue.
Okay.
And the khaki. And he came real fast, broke the gate, hit the tree real hard, and before he did that, he hit her car.
All right.
And so he had throw up all over him. So he was going.
You okay, sir?
Very,
yeah, I'm fine.
fast.
I ate a hamburger after I played golf. I had nothing to drink. I'm drinking water. I just felt sick.
That's his.
And then that's my insurance. And I was going to my wife. She works at the quilt shop right up here to help her. I usually help her every day.
So what brings you this way if you're heading to the quilt shop?
Right there. I was going this way down Rio
But
Grande,
he
right to the
turned
quilt
around
shop.
and come back, and that's
Well,
why
I came back right here because
him.
he told me we pulled back right here because I hit her car. She said I hit her car on the other side.
So what's up with driving through the gate on the wrong side?
I was sick.
Okay. Where did the crash actually happen at, ma'am?
Down by the gate, I guess.
Side. I had just come through.
Right at the gate?
Yes, I had just come through. I was going to be turning in here. I had my blinker on. I saw him on the wrong side. I laid on my horn. He hit me. Then he went over in the wrong side and went into the tree.
I stopped. I realized what I was doing.
I didn't think he was
because I was
stop,
sick.
so
I didn't realize what I was doing.
I broke the gate too.
You did break the gate.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
Because
that's
that's
my
who called us
insurance.
first. Okay.
That's my insurance.
Do you have your driver's license at all?
Yes, sir. I am so sorry, sir.
Okay.
I just
I don't need that.
was.
He begged us not to do it, but
Well,
he
I
tried to
just-
pay them off.
No. I
You
told
took
her I
the
would.
money out of your wallet.
I did. Yes, ma'am. I did that. Yes, ma'am. I did. I'm not gonna lie. I did do that. It's a little scratch, and I made a
I hope
mistake.
you'll be okay.
And I am.
Do you need rescue at all?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
What's a good phone number for you guys?
It's dangerous. You could have killed anybody by running into them. You could have killed yourself.
Well, golf carts aren't going to be the one to win the crash.
No.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.
It was just a light. I mean, it's not much. It's
Bye-bye.
pictures
Take
really.
care.
Sam again.
It's just this scratch here.
He clipped me here, and then I swerved, and then he clipped me again. And then he went off the wrong way, and I was like, he's not going to stop. So I swung around and went back.
Where'd they hit you up here?
Right here.
Okay.
I think they're there.
And then that.
Yeah.
But I mean, I
I
laid
told
on
her
the
husband
horn.
I told her husband, I'm going to be honest with
Was
you.
your husband in the car with you?
No, he
No,
was not.
no, he was
I
not.
live
That's
around
his
the
blue
corner.
truck
I
right
was
there.
getting ready to turn in here to go home, so I called him and he came down.
Well,
Can I get your
when I
driver's
turned
license,
around,
registration, insurance, and so I can write this up?
Driver's license, sir.
Where was it you're coming from?
I was coming from Nancy Lopez. I was playing golf there. I played, I can show you my scorecard on a golf cart. It was crazy. It was 86. 43 and a 43.
Nothing wrong with that. That's way better than I do.
Yeah.
There's that. What else did you need, sir?
Got your driver's license, registration for the car.
Sorry, it's a new car, so I'm not sure where everything is.
Just give me a few minutes to get everything entered, and I'll get on with it and get you all out of here.
And set up a few tests.
I do smell alcohol. He was coming up Rio Grande, wrong side of the road, scratched her car as she was coming in the gate.
Yeah.
Then he went through the gate on the entrance side, crashed through the gate, made a U-turn because people started screaming at him, and they stopped him here. You have damage on your card at all?
No. Nothing at all.
Based on your driving actions and
sir.
what I smell, I do believe that you've been drinking at least some. I'm going to ask you to do some roadsides for me.
Okay, sir.
All right?
The officer administered the 3 federally standardized tests, including horizontal gaze nystagmus, walk and turn, and one-leg stand. Before each balance-based test, he screened for physical conditions: a prosthetic right ankle, diabetic swelling, and balance difficulties. Federal protocol requires this screening. Its omission can result in the entire field sobriety battery being excluded. When the one-leg stand proved impossible, the officer discontinued it without penalty. That accommodation was procedurally correct.
Do you have any, I see you got swollen ankles. Do you have diabetes at all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you epileptic?
No.
Are you treated for your diabetes?
Yes.
Have you been treated today? Like, have you checked your blood that your blood's
No,
not
I don't
right
check my blood daily. It's it's
And the cup you have on your cup holder, there's not an alcoholic beverage.
nope. You can test it right now. You can look at it, taste it, or
I'm not
drop
gonna-
it. Whatever you
I'm
want
not
to
gonna
do.
taste it, I'm just
It's
asking
water.
for the-
It's actually water.
Other than glasses, do you wear contacts or have any other
No.
problem with your eyes?
Well, yeah, just these things.
Okay, that's well. Wear glasses if you need to.
Okay.
But can you stand together with your feet together, your hands to your sides, down your side? Just want you to follow the tip of my finger with your eyes only. Don't move your head, okay? Don't anticipate. Come on, step a little bit further forward. All right, feet together, hands to your side. You have any problem with your back, hips, knees, ankles?
My ankles. This is fake. My right ankle's fake.
Okay. So whichever one you choose you want to, I want you to lift up off the ground about 6 inches. So if your fake one is the one, then lift that up. Standing about, lift it up about 6 inches. Count out loud from 1 to 30. Keep your hands on your side, count out loud, and lift your foot up about 6 inches, a little higher.
Yeah.
And out.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can't. My balance isn't that great.
We'll do the best we can because we got what we got. If you can't do that one, we'll try another one. Just go over here on this driveway so we're out of town.
Yeah.
Stay with your right foot on the line. Left foot in front of your right, heel touching your toe. Stay this way while I give you the instructions. When I ask you to, I'm going to ask you to take 9 steps forward on this line. Count out loud each step as you take it. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the way up to 9. When you've reached 9, give it around whichever foot's in front. Go back the other direction. 1, 2, 3. 9 steps forward, 9 steps back. You understand? Count out each step as you take it.
With my right ankle, there's no way I'm going to be able to do it.
Okay, you'll just do the best you can. I'll take that into account.
Yeah, I can't even get it behind me. 1.
Okay. Come on over here in the shade.
Let's just go to jail.
Okay. So, you're having problems with balance ones? Then, okay. No problem. I'm going to ask you to tilt your head back and close your eyes. Feet together, hands on your side again. When I ask you to, I'm going to ask you to take your left hand, stick it directly out in front of you, touch the tip of your finger to the tip of your nose, and put your arm down. If I say your right hand, reach your right hand directly out in front of you. Touch the tip of your finger to the tip of your nose, and put your arm down. I'm not going to tell you to touch your nose. I'm not going to tell you to put your arm down. I'm only going to say left or right. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Tilt your head back, close your eyes. Your left hand. Your right hand. Your left hand. Your right hand. Your right hand. Keep your head tilted back. Your left hand. And just keep standing like you are. Recite the alphabet out loud, starting with D and ending in X. Ready? Begin.
D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
Without singing it.
R, S, T, U, V, W, X.
Go ahead and open your eyes and look at me real quick. One more. Just tilt your head back and close your eyes just like you were standing. Estimate the time of 30 seconds in your mind. Don't count it. I'll tell you when to begin. Okay? Start. When you've reached what you think is 30 seconds, just open your eyes and look at me and I'll know you're done. Okay. Well, I do believe you've been drinking. I am going to take you into custody for DUI. I do believe you're impaired. Not drunk as a skunk drunk, but I do believe you are impaired. All right?
Florida Statute Section 3, 16.193 creates 2 independent paths to a DUI conviction. First, the per se threshold of 0.08 or higher. Second, impairment of normal faculties, meaning the capacity to see, hear, walk, judge distances, and respond in emergencies. These 2 paths are legally separate. An officer does not need a blood alcohol reading to arrest. A prosecutor does not need one to convict. The handcuffing fell within Graham versus Connor's objective reasonableness standard. The subject was cooperative and non-resistant. The officer used 2 cuff sets to accommodate the subject's build and disclosed wrist surgery, locked them to prevent tightening, and explained the process. No excessive force issue arises on this record. At the jail, 90 minutes after driving, the subject recorded 0.07. Florida courts recognize retrograde extrapolation, meaning blood alcohol declines as the body metabolizes alcohol at approximately 0.015% per hour. A reading 90 minutes post-driving does not establish the blood alcohol level at the moment of the crash. Under State versus Cliphouse, officer observations alone, without any blood alcohol reading, are sufficient probable cause for DUI in Florida. The below-threshold result did not defeat the arrest. Patrick entered a no-contest plea and was adjudicated guilty of DUI involving property damage under Florida Statute, Section 3, 16.193, Subsection 3, Paragraph C. A first-degree misdemeanor triggered when impaired driving causes damage to another's property. He was sentenced to 12 months probation, 6-month license suspension, and a 1-year ignition interlock requirement. The officer receives a grade of B+. Pre-test medical screening. Proper test modification for the prosthetic ankle. Clear probable cause articulation and proportional restraint all reflect sound DUI enforcement. The grade falls short of an A because the supplemental non-standardized tests, Romberg, finger to nose, and alphabet, carry reduced scientific weight and lack detailed on-camera documentation of specific clues. The subject receives a grade of C. Impaired operation through a controlled gait and striking multiple objects created genuine risk to other road users. Sustained denial of alcohol consumption, maintained through gum chewing and illness claims. Contradicted by witness testimony and the breath test. Extended the investigation without benefit. Cooperation after arrest and the no-contest plea prevent a lower grade. 3 takeaways. Florida's DUI statute does not require a blood alcohol level at or above 0.08. Impairment of normal faculties is an independent basis for conviction. A below-threshold breath result taken 90 minutes after driving is not exculpatory. And federal pretest medical screening is a mandatory procedural step. Its omission can invalidate the entire field sobriety battery in court. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.
Yep, call you right back.
And these 2 handcuffs because you're pretty big, all right? I don't want to mess up your shoulders or nothing. I do. Big wrist too. You're trying not to catch your shirt in it.
I just had surgery on this left one.
Alright. I'll keep it as loose as I can, but your hands have to stay this way. If you start trying to turn them, it starts hurting, right? So they got to stay that way. Let me lock them so they don't tighten up on you. That's all your address.
And I wasn't. I'm telling you.
Well, sir, when you start driving on the wrong side of the road, going through the entrance gates on the, driving on the wrong side of the road and hitting entrance gates, exiting. Aside from hitting a car, and you told me earlier you haven't had a drop to drink. You've definitely had a drop or 2 to drink. So what does that lead the police to believe? Because it's not normal to drive on the wrong side of the road, right?
No, it's not.
Okay. Go ahead and spit the gum out. Thank you.
I'm the worst.
Because of this?
Yep. Yes, sir. Wallet back here.
I'll get it. I'm just checking to make sure you ain't got nothing else.
What about my golf cart?
We're going to tow that, because that's what happens.
Can I have somebody come get it?
No, we're going to tow that.
Yeah, I got nothing.
Slide in the best you can. Watch your hips sliding in.
His spitter's gum out?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. See it right there.
I got it.
Yeah, that's hot. Yeah, I think he still has it on.
Where the,
now it's not.
Yeah, it's off.
There we go. All right.
Water in there now, but it smells like there maybe wasn't water in there.
You don't keep anything private up here, like money or anything? Okay.
Just my address. I've got a house key in there.
Do you need it? In the glove compartment?
Oh, the other side.
The other side.
Okay, thank you.
When you told dispatch wrote it in the call.
Okay. All right.
So
I wasn't the one that called. The lady and her husband who saw the whole incident followed him in here. They're the ones that called the police. I had to flip around because he didn't look like he was going to stop. I was going to chase him down. And they saw it, and then he turned in here, so they turned in here, and then I turned in, and when I got out of the car, they were already on the phone with the police. And he was wiping like crazy to get the vomit and whatever else was on him off.
Yeah.
But even my husband said, because I don't drink, so my husband, I called him because we live around the corner, and he came up, and when he spoke to him, he came to me, he said, I can smell the alcohol.
Oh, yeah.
Find him?
Yes, I did.
How? What was his problem?
He's drunk.
I thought so. I thought so.
What's your first name? I saw the gate on the ground, so he went
just
through.
came and fixed it.
Right. So he went through that one,
Came
that
through
way.
this one, he went
All right. So he crashed through the gate, went up here on the curb,
went up there, backed up, and went back that way.
and then he backed up and turned around.
Yep, and drove back. Oh my gosh.
He was trying.
He was trying.
He was well, yeah. He lives that way.
Somebody followed him?
Yes, the people that he hit.
Out there. I'll see you in the next video.
He begged us not to do it, but
Well,
you
I
tried to
just-
pay them off.
No, I
You
told her
took
I
your
would.
money out of your wallet.
I did. Yes, ma'am. I did that. Yes, ma'am. I did. This one over here in shape. Let's just go to jail. I hit her car. She said I hit her car on the other side.
So what's up with driving through the gate on the wrong side?
I was sick.